Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable materialized views in BigQuery for faster dashboards, full guide step by step clearly. To enable materialized views in BigQuery, start by opening the BigQuery console. Sign in to your Google Cloud account if you haven't done so already. Select your project from the project drop-down menu. Navigate to the dataset where you want to create the materialized view. Click on the Create View option. In the SQL Query Editor, write the SQL query for the data you want to materialize. Ensure that your query meets the requirements for materialization, such as using supported SQL features. Review your query for efficiency, as materialized views are designed for performance. Click on the Options tab in the Create View window. Check the box that says Use as Materialized View. Provide a name for your materialized view in the designated field. Optional, add a description to help identify the view's purpose. Review the other settings, such as expiration time, if applicable. Once everything is set, click the Create button to finalize your materialized view. After creation, monitor the performance of your materialized view in dashboard queries. Adjust your SQL queries as necessary to fully utilize the advantages of the materialized view. Remember to consider maintenance and refresh schedules for your data. Check for any errors or inefficiencies in the view as data changes over time. Enjoy improved query performance and faster dashboards with your new materialized view in BigQuery. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details if you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.